Hey there, I want to send a quick video out about my experience working with Chi. Been in real estate field in the past. I've also currently doing e-commerce, doing really well, but I've always wanted to get into short-term rental. I took some course in the past. Uh, the thing I like about Chi and his approach to short-term rental Airbnb is that he wants you to start dominating in the beginning. Okay, in the beginning, start dominating already. He helps you with funding. Um, to obtain funding so that you can start hitting your first month with 2 3 properties, and that's what I like. I've been an entrepreneur all my life, so I wanted to get the ball rolling immediately, and he was able to help me with that. The course itself is very simple and thorough. It's not drawn out. It's get straight to the point, and just with the materials alone, I was able to do market research, which is very easy to do with his method. I live just about 2 hours away, so I was fortunate enough to drive out and see him, and we did some work together, which is really cool. Just the other day, I was trying to get funding, sent him a quick text, and he called me within 5 seconds. So this is more of a hands-on approach, and the cool thing is he's not just some guru who's um, gonna sell you a course and you'll never talk to him. I have his personal line. I message him, I email him, I call him, and anything I need help with, he's right there, and that's what I love about it. If you're on the fence, I said definitely jump in. Right now is the time. I'm very excited about what's to come, and I'm very excited to be working with Chi personally. Thank you.